Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of delightful diction. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this linguistic journey. Today's word is connect, an A2 level verb meaning join or link together. So, what does it mean to connect? Well, in its simplest form, connect means to join two or more things together. It can refer to physical connections like plugging a cable into a device, or abstract connections like building a relationship with someone. We use connect all the time in everyday language, whether we realize it or not. For example, you might say, "Please connect the printer to the computer." Or, "I'm trying to connect with new people at the conference." Now, let's explore some synonyms for connect. A close synonym is link. We can say, "The two cities are linked by a direct train line." Another synonym is join. For instance, "I want to join the book club." And how about attach? "Please attach the document to the email." You could also use the word unite. The community worked together to unite and rebuild after the disaster. These words all share the core meaning of bringing things together, but they have slightly different nuances. Link often suggests a more casual or less permanent connection than join, while attach usually refers to physically fastening something. Unite suggests bringing disparate elements together for a common purpose. Now, let's flip the script and look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. A key antonym for connect is disconnect. Imagine saying, "Please disconnect the power cord before you start working on the appliance." Another antonym is separate. You might hear, "They decided to separate after many years of marriage." We can also use the word detach. For example, "Carefully detach the label from the package." Or consider isolate. The patient was isolated to prevent the spread of the infection. Finally, there's divide. The river divides the city into two distinct sections. These antonyms highlight the idea of breaking apart, rather than bringing together. So, how can you use connect in your everyday life? Well, you might say, "I need to connect to the internet to send this email." Or, "Let's connect after the meeting to discuss the project further." You might also hear phrases like, "I feel a strong connection with my family." Or, "The detective was trying to connect the dots in the case." Here are some more usage examples. The bridge connects the two sides of the river. I'm trying to connect my phone to the Bluetooth speaker. The company aims to connect people through its social media platform. The doctor tried to connect with the patient to understand their concerns. She felt a strong connection to her hometown. The evidence connected him to the crime. We need to connect the different departments to improve communication. They are connected by a shared love of music. The wires need to be properly connected for the device to work. I hope we can connect again soon. We connect with people daily, through conversations. Sometimes we try to connect things that are seemingly unrelated. Our brains constantly connect information to create meaning. Strong relationships are built on trust and the ability to connect emotionally. Understanding how ideas connect can help you learn more effectively. So, to recap, connect is an A2 level verb that means to join or link together. We've explored synonyms like link, join, attach, and unite, and antonyms like disconnect, separate, detach, isolate, and divide. We've also seen how connect is used in various everyday situations. Thank you for joining me on this Hello Word adventure. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the word connect. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and expand their vocabulary. Now, for your challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word connect and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy word learning.